Hey guys, welcome back to the channel once more. Today what I want to talk about is basically a different way that you can increase your payments every month, basically your income every month, if you're into REITs or stocks that pay out a dividend. Now, I'm going to use AGNC here as an example. AGNC, it's a REIT, it's a real estate investment trust. Now, this particular REIT pays out 18 cents per share consistently every month, and it's been doing that since 2016. Now, before that, it was paying out a dividend. However, it was a little bit higher than the company decided to cut down its dividend to 18 cents. And I'm still okay with that. Now, the reason I got into the stock was basically right around October of last year. It's been trending up and down between the $18 mark and $17 and some change. So in the meantime, not only am I collecting the dividend each month, I'm also swing trading it to increase those profits each and every time I get a chance. So I'm going to give you an example. Roughly right now I have about $5,000 invested in this stock. So, I'm getting about $50 each month if I was to leave the money sitting there. Now, the price of the stock, as you can see, will fluctuate up and down, up and down. But remember, you're still getting the $50 just for having your money sit there. If you want to add a swing trade, that's basically, let's say, for example, I entered here. And while the stock is going up and down, I'm actually, selling off right about here on the high points and then buying back at the low points, selling, buying, and then buying, selling, and so on and so forth. Now, each stock, each REIT, they all have an ex-dividend date if they're paying out a dividend. Now, since this one pays out monthly, so each month it has an ex-dividend date. You have to own the stock or buy the stock before the ex-dividend date in order to qualify for that dividend. So let's say, for example, the ex-dividend date was on the 10th of January, right? In the meantime, I'm selling and buying, selling and buying, selling and buying, and then right before the 10th, I'm actually buying and holding them through the ex-dividend date. And I can sell off on the ex-dividend date, when the market opens or anytime after that with a gain. And then I already collected those $50, and then I'm also getting out with a gain. And then I keep rinsing and repeat. Basically, it's the same process over and over. So not only are you getting those $50 a month, you're getting, a lot more profits. Depends on the price that you're getting out. Now, the great thing about this is that you can use those dividend payments to buy into other dividend stocks that pay out a dividend, or you can reinvest them in the same stock or REIT, to increase your dividend payout in the following month. Or if you want, you can simply spend the money. It's really up to you. Now, I'm just using $5,000 as an example. You can start with as little as 100, 200, 300. Of course, the gain will not, the gains are not going to be as high. However, the whole point of the video is for you to realize that yes, money can work for you. That's the whole point of the video. I want to show you guys, I want to be able to kind of motivate or inspire new investors on how to make your money work for you. Now, if you were to leave $5,000 in your checking savings account, in 1 month, in 1 month time frame, it's still going to be $5,000. Now, that's depending on the bank, of course. I know my bank, Bank of America, it's going to be the same thing. So why not invest it in something out there, There's a variety of different ways that you can invest your money in the stock market. You have long-term investments, you have, swing trading, day trading, options, and so on and so forth. Now, just look for the right pattern, the right stock, and do the research before you invest in anything. Make sure that you fully understand on what is it that you're investing in, if you're going to start investing. Now, in previous videos, I do show you guys how to look up the ex-dividend date of a stock or a REIT, and as well as the history of the stock. Now, you might want to look into that before investing into any dividend stocks or REITs that pay out a dividend, because that kind of assures you, how long has it been paying it out for, and is it consistent, and all that. You want to look everything up before you invest into anything. Now, if you guys have any ideas on future videos, please leave a comment below, and then I'll follow up as I can. In the meantime, I'll see you guys on the next video.